Hi, I'm Timo Arvala, CEO of Mintli. We work in the cybersecurity, IT, OT network and digital identity services.
My name is Nima Garib, coming from Nimtech. I'm the CEO there. We specialize in cloud automation and governance and everything that has to do with the platform in general in IT that starts from the top and goes all the way to every process that a company usually has.
Hi, I'm Andrew Dean, Sales Director at OCF. We're a high-performance computing integrator based in the UK, so we supply solutions to the research computing and technical computing space. Yeah, it's definitely a very different approach, rather than a distributor just coming to trying to sell us kit, right, to feel like TD with Intel are coming to us and investing in our businesses and trying to help us grow together. So yeah, absolutely.
I think it's a great opportunity for companies like us. Of course, we want to be part of it. From the customer's point of view, it basically means a big kind of business transformation. Of course, it's including that there needs to be reliable partners supporting the customers and as part of that journey, and of course the business transformation. And we are definitely looking to be part of that.
Like the value here, basically what can TD SYNNEX do for us, what can Intel do for us has been important. And again, AI is such an intangible thing that we kind of, everything is a learning process. Like how can we enable is very important for us.